Right. Um, Computer finished. Yeah. So now let's see what the best combination is. So here we are. The best combination would be C100, the linear kernel, and obviously the linear kernel does not have gamma. Gamma is only for RBF. Yeah, so now we're gonna just run this thing again, but with the right parameters. Here we go. Run it. And after that we will make a prediction. Here we go. That went quite fast. So model predict X test. And now we're gonna look at the accuracy. And the accuracy is quite high, yeah, 97%. Let's run the confusion matrix. And the confusion matrix also looks pretty good, yeah. The only drawback we have that there's four false negatives, and of course we don't really like it. So here recall is 96%, whereas precision is 99%. We would rather have it the other way around, especially when you deal with cancer. Okay, that's it. So this went very fast. We imported the dataset from scikit-learn. Then we did some grid search to make sure we have the best parameters. And once the grid search is done, we just fit the model, and that's basically it.